The following line graph shows data for median household income in the United States, adjusted for inflation. So we're to use the following graph to determine by how much the median household income decreased from the year 2007 to the year 2010. So looking carefully at our graph, we see that the horizontal axis represents the year. And since we want to know something about 2007 and 2010, we'll start by marking those years. So in 2007, I have an arrow here, and 2010. Now, we want to know how much the median household, which is our outputs, or our vertical axis, we want to know how much it decreased. So we want this value here, which is 53,000, minus, because I want the difference in this y value, or output value, which is 49,000. So if you subtract these values, we'll get 4,000. Therefore, the median household income decreased by $4,000.